Hello friends, welcome to the Ekalavya University. I am Ravindra, the founder and the developer of this system, the Ekalavya University. One system, all of IT career. Now I am introducing our Career Sure program. This Career Sure program is a finishing placement training program which has been specially designed to transform students and graduates as the IT industry ready programmers by imparting necessary employability training so as to enable them to choose a rewarding IT career of their choice. Originally, we have developed this program especially for the engineering graduates of any stream. By undergoing this 120 days of training, they will be transformed themselves as the IT industry ready programmers, and they will be in a position to choose an employer of their own choice. In this context, you may get a doubt how it is possible for any stream. Actually, we have developed this program as a true zero based training program. True zero based. Actually, you may find n number of systems, training systems, but you may not find a true zero based system. It is really a challenging task. We have developed it as a true zero based system. That means we don't expect any programming background of the student. You may belong to IT stream or non-IT stream, it makes no difference. And we are providing all the services, whatever services a student required to achieve necessary employability, all we are providing through single window with a lot of integrity. That's why, because of the integrity, the student can digest the subject very easily and he can acquire the necessary skills. Here, one more point, 120 days I mentioned. How a student can acquire all these skills within 120 days, which they couldn't get with the 4 years of their engineering study. Actually, this is a true employability training. In this, we are providing highly effective LMS, Ekalavya Learning Management System. This is first of its kind in the world because we have dissected all these 120 days training as 1 hour study units based on the video lecture. So, for every study unit, we are providing a video lecture, the corresponding ebook, and thereafter the corresponding unit test. By that, what happens? The student watches the lecture. He is nothing but attending a class. Immediately, he reads the necessary concepts and he practices. Watch, read, and practice. By that, he can wrap the subject. Thereafter, immediately he writes the unit test. All the unit tests are developed using international standards. What are international standards? Actually, in international certifications, they focus on 3 things: conceptual command, presence of mind, and the IQ. And all these features we have incorporated in our tests using international standards. Because of this strategy of 1 hour study units, every day the student can achieve, he can count his progress and he can plan his study, and within the time frame he can complete that. And many other features, unique features we have incorporated in the LMS, Ekalavya Learning Management System. In one of the lectures I explained the unique features of that LMS. Because of that LMS, we are a student, an engineering graduate of any stream can complete this program within 120 days. In this context, I will give you the coverage of the courses and time schedule also. By that, you can 100% realize. And in this system, totally we have incorporated 18 attributes These 18 attributes are not for showcasing. If you just study the system for 2 days, only 2 days, you can realize that we have pragmatically incorporated all the 18 attributes in the system. And in this course, in this training program, we are covering these subjects. The first one is C, C++, and Core Java integrated program. This is also first of its kind in the world. Actually, students study these programming languages individually. For them, there is no choice, because in the first semester they may have C, in the third semester they may have C++, in the fifth semester they may have Core Java. They must study them individually, and they may study for the sake of examination. Here, this training is given only for acquiring employability. Employability means a set of knowledge, skills, and abilities so as to acquire a job and to maintain that. So, our focus is imparting knowledge, transforming such knowledge into skills and abilities. From the inception, we focus on this thing. So, here, because of this integration of C, C++, and Core Java, they can psychologically they feel it as a single course, and they can save they can save 40 per minimum 40% of the time which is actually required to study the three languages individually. Apart from that, they can understand the underlying reasons for the evolution of the languages, and they can practically understand what are the advanced features of the C++ over C, what are the advanced features of Core Java over C, C++. These things are not possible to explain by descriptions, and only they should experience that. And at a time, they can study three languages and they master three languages, and they get the corresponding programming skills as well as certifications, Ekalavya certifications, which have been developed using international standards. That's why I call this course as 133. One course, three languages, and three certifications. Elsewhere, I have explained about this. You can, if you are interested, you can watch that. This we are providing as a single program. Thereafter, quantitative skills. Actually, for a real programmer who wants to become a proficient programmer, he should have quantitative skills. Because of the quantitative skills, he can improve improve his arithmetical skills, logical skills, and business intelligence. These characteristics, these qualities are very much required for every programmer. That's why we are focusing on quantitative skills. Thereafter, project development skills. Most students, 99%, even 100%, they feel coding is programming. Actually, in real project development, coding comes in the fourth phase of project development. Before that, three phases are there: that is understanding domain, uh, analysis, algorithm. The three phases together is known as designing. First, design phase, they do not know about that. That's why we are specially focusing on project development skills. Project, all this we are giving through our LMS with a specific, clearly defined, clearly feasible time schedule according to this. According to this, see, 40 days. We are providing everything. We are providing a complete reference through ebook. Thereafter, Core Java. After completion of C, they migrate to, they start Core Java. It takes 50 days time. Thereafter, C++. Actually, with the C, they master FOP, function oriented programming. With the knowledge of Core Java, they master OOP, object oriented programming. Actually, C is a true function oriented programming language, and Core Java is a true object oriented programming language. Whereas C++ is a hybrid language which supports both FOP and WOOP. Because of this integration, after completion of C and core Java, by spending only 10 days of time, they can master C++ also. In this manner, they study 3 languages at a time as a single course, and they can acquire the corresponding Ekalavya certifications. Thereafter, 10 days they focus on quantitative skills. In this context, what we recommend to the students from the day one, you focus on quantitative skills. Sometime you spend on quantitative skills. Ultimately, they finish the quantitative skills training and write the corresponding examination also. Thereafter, they focus on project development skills. As I told you already, the student should come out of their illusions. They should not feel coding only is the programming. They should understand the design. What is design? After completion of the design phase, they have to enter into coding phase. So for this purpose and all that, from the beginning, throughout this training, we introduce the formal development process. It is not the overnight job, and everything we introduce in the system for developing projects in a formal manner. So thereafter, if they concentrate 10 days on project development skills and all that, they can understand the real-time environment, how project, what the mental work is required, what the physical work is required. They can categorically understand, and because of the command over quantitative skills, they develop, they understand various business domains, and they they acquire business intelligence also, which is very much required. In this context, one more thing we are telling you, we are not just focusing on placing a candidate. You should be deserved for climbing the manager ladder. So if this training is imparted in that objective, definitely they will be prospective managers. So totally it comes 40 plus 50, 90 plus 10, 100 plus 10, 110, 120 days. 120 days period, if they focus on that, any engineering graduate can be transformed as a IT industry ready programmer. That is the clear schedule which were tested 100%, and many students earlier followed that, and they succeed in this. And thereafter, finally, actually, we should have a testimonial, unique testimonial to get the exposure. For that purpose, after completion of this training, we are focusing on a international certification, that is OCAJP, Oracle Certified Associate Java Programmer. This is the nearest international certification for an engineering graduate. Actually, for Java's sake, we are providing one certification, ECJP, Ekalavya Certified Java Programmer. It has been developed at par with the standards of OCAJP. So, as a part of the finishing program, they complete ECJP. Because of that, just another 1 week or 10 days special effort, endeavor on the preparation of OCAJP. In the first attempt, they can pass this international certification. Because of that, it creates lot of elevation to them. They are treated differently. An employer receives thousands of applications also. This application, whose application carries this certification, is special. Number one. Number two is they can face the interviews very easily. Actually, part of our course, we are focusing on interview facing technique. That means subject oriented communication. Especially we are giving a special training. Generally, most people focus on general communication, but subject oriented communication purpose, a special type of training is required. There 3 C's, that is a complete, correct and coherent answer should be given. That type of special training is given for the subject oriented communications. Because of all this, like a blend, like a single program, student is transformed as a IT uh, ready programmer, and you will be in a position to choose a rewarding career of their choice. It is not at the mercy of any employer. In this context, you must remember one thing: the real asset of a company is an employee. An employer may purchase any type of uh, proper asset like properties, machinery, building, anything they purchase, but getting a good employee is like getting a good spouse. That point you must remember, and by undergoing this training, you will be transformed as a IT industry ready programmer. By that, you can make your position indispensable in your organization.